www.thug.com. Online access will disconnect in T-minus.
Ever watched online and thought, wait, is this actually real? Nowadays there's so many videos on the internet that look completely real, but some of them are actually fake. With the help of artificial intelligence, people can create very realistic videos where people look like someone is saying or doing something they never actually did. This can be a big problem because it's getting harder to tell what's real and what's fake. People can easily be tricked and false information can spread really fast. So, how is this even possible? What are these kinds of videos called? Lamia will now explain what deepfakes are.
A deepfake is a video or audio that is made with artificial intelligence. In a deepfake, a computer changes a person's face or a voice and replaces it with someone else's. Because of this, it can look like a real person is saying or doing something they never actually did. AI learns from many pictures, videos and recordings of a person, then it uses this information to create a very realistic fake. Sometimes it is very hard to see the difference between a real video and a deepfake. Furthermore, Emma will explain why deepfakes can be dangerous.
The biggest dangers of deepfakes are fake news and misinformation. For example, a deepfake video could show a politician making a false announcement or saying something offensive. If people believe it, this could influence public opinion, create panic, or even affect elections. Another major issue is how fast misinformation spreads online. On social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, post content go viral in minutes. People share video without checking if they are real, and even when the truth comes out, the damage is often already done. Deepfakes can also be used in online scams. Criminals can clone someone's voice and pretend to be a company boss or a family member asking for urgent help. Some scams even use fake video calls, making them more convincing. This can lead to serious financial loss and identity theft. Another serious risk is damage to a person's reputation. Deepfakes can be used to create fake videos showing someone doing something illegal or inappropriate. And even if the video isn't real, it can spread quickly and ruin someone's reputation.
Now, how do we protect ourselves from being fooled? You don't need to be a computer scientist, you just need to be a digital detective. First, look for the glitches. What's the person's eyes? Do they blink naturally or do they look frozen? Look at their mouth. Do their teeth look blurry or do the words seem slightly out of sync? Often, the edges of the face or hair will look fuzzy or flicker if a person moves too fast. Second, check your emotions. Deepfakes are designed to shock you. If a video makes you feel immediate anger or disbelief, stop. Before you hit share, check a reliable news source. If it's real, the experts will be talking about it. If it's only on one random account, it's likely a fake. In short, look for the lag and check the tag. Always verify where the video came from.
And we came to the end. AI is a powerful tool and we should always be aware that everything online can be fake. We should not believe everything we see or hear until we check if it's true.